Life gets more serious when you hit your 30s. Work, family commitments, societal pressure, the list is endless. You used to be inseparable from the gym, but you aren't 23 anymore. Not only that, your muscle mass experiences a natural decline by your 30s. This means recovery may take longer than usual, but it's not all doom and gloom. You can still lock in a strength routine that keeps you looking spry for decades. In today's video, we'll be showing you the tips you need for building strength in your 30s and beyond, despite your busy schedule. Stay tuned and enjoy. Number 5. Focus on compound exercises. The goal is to get more bang for your buck, so doing squats, pull-ups, and push-ups will never fail you. These exercises engage many muscle groups and joints at once, all while mimicking the moves in your day-to-day activities. A squat targets your calves, quads, glutes, and hamstrings compared to a bicep curl that works the biceps. A deadlift recruits even more muscles, including your lats and core. Isolation movements are great, but multi-joint work will deliver your strength gains in a more time-efficient way. When you don't have hours to spend at the gym, prioritize compound moves for an efficient workout. Research has shown they help develop core stability and release higher levels of tissue-building hormones. Number 4. Apply progressive overload. As a bona fide gym rat, the PR chase probably defined your 20s. You maxed out the lifts, enjoyed the grind, and showed off your looks. However, your body catches up with reality at some point in your 30s and beyond. Once you feel the humbling realization that your glory days may be over, your response should be a mindset shift towards steady progress. With progressive overload, you make incremental changes to your strength training and help your body adapt to exercise stressors. You can increase the amount of weight, number of reps, speed, and frequency of your workouts. For instance, you can go from 3 sets of 10 squats to 3 sets of 12 squats in 4 weeks. The gradual increase will improve your strength over time without the risk of injuries. Number 3. Build a home gym. This may not sound like the most cost-effective idea, but hear me out. No one is saying you should go from zero to a commercial-grade gym overnight. Start with a few essential pieces and add more to your stack as time passes. Since your focus is on strength training, dumbbells, kettlebells, and resistance bands should be on your list. Don't skip on proper bench and the right gym flooring. They will save you money in the long run. If you're short on space, get a foldable bench and keep your equipment in wall-mounted storage units. Whatever your budget, access to a home gym makes it easier to stay true to your fitness goals. Number 2. Use supersets. Chances are you're struggling to make time for fitness in your busy 30-plus life. This is why you should try supersets to maximize the efficiency of your workout sessions. A superset involves 2 back-to-back exercises with little to no break in between. You can engage opposing muscle groups by combining a set of bench presses with a set of seated rows. Alternatively, you can choose a pair of exercises that target the same muscle group, like bicep curls followed by preacher curls. The idea behind supersets is to help you do more in a particular time frame without compromising muscle growth. The absence of rest can be challenging, so introduce it into your routine slowly. Number 1. Prioritize recovery. If you want to be in the gym for a good long time, your 30s and up aren't for pushing your body's limits. You may develop an injury or exacerbate an existing one. Your muscles take longer to recover from training stress, so give them the time they need. Prioritizing recovery is about getting quality sleep, nourishing your body with protein-rich meals, and planning rest days. Low-intensity activities like walking, cycling, or stretching can aid recovery by promoting blood circulation. You're not weak for taking rest days. Rather, you're strong enough to maintain the gains that will carry you into the decades of your life. If you still want to be a regular at the gym in your 50s and 60s, listen now when your body says enough. Strength training in your 30s and beyond doesn't involve the heaviest weights. It's about training for longevity and finding time to remain consistent. What's your biggest motivation to stay fit as you age? Let us know in the comments section. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and of course don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more tips you should watch, do this to boost testosterone every morning for men over 30.